Audi RS Performance versus Kitty V Blackwing full comparison. The Audi RS Performance and Cadillac CT-V Blackwing are two high-performance sedans, but most people overlook key differences. You won't believe how distinct their driving experiences are. The RS Performance features a 4.0-litre twin-turbo producing 591 horsepower and quattro all-wheel drive. It accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds, offering supreme handling and stability. The CT-V Blackwing has a supercharged 6.2-litre producing 668 horsepower rear-wheel drive and slightly quicker 0-60 times at 3.4 seconds. It's raw, aggressive, and track-oriented. Interior comfort favours the Audi with luxurious finishes, advanced infotainment, and the port of seats. Cadillac focuses on driver-centric layout with sports seats and performance-focused displays but sacrifices some luxury for track readiness. Fuel efficiency is similar, with both vehicles averaging around 15-18 miles per gallon combined. Handling is where the RS shines on twisty roads thanks to all-wheel drive, while the Blackwing delivers intense straight-line power and thrilling track dynamics. In conclusion, choose the Audi RS Performance for a balance of luxury, speed and handling. Choose the CT-V Blackwing for raw power and track-focused thrills. Both are exceptional, but your driving style will determine the better pick.